a little window there. Sometimes you need to put your eyes there to make sure the pilot light is bright. And also this, that's gonna show you too when it's on. There's a light gonna be there to show you, so the pilot light is on. So let's take a look. Look at this one. It's very, that's a brand new water heater. So you hold this thing there and you swipe it. Sometimes it takes a little time too. Okay. And so take a little time. Okay. Take a little time. So now it show me the pilot light. Let me bring that thing closer. Oh. So now you can see the light. So now when it's on, so you can let the knob go. Okay. And also now you can turn the knob where you need it. So you can put it on low, put it on high. That's a normal. Okay. So we're just gonna turn the knob. And we're gonna hear that thing gonna click to. Did you hear that? So from that little window, so you can see the flame right there. So this is the way you turn your pilot light on. All right. Thank you for watching.